Hi guys! Welcome sa second part ng ating New Manila, Quezon City Stainless Modular Kitchen Project. This is our second day of installation sa job site. And the first thing we did was ipasok yung cabinet na ilalagay natin above the table with sink. We needed 5 workers para maipasok yung cabinet ng maayos sa loob ng kitchen, and also para maiwasan din natin yung unnecessary damages sa work area. The next thing we did was ikabit yung additional wall clad sa right side ng kitchen. Nag-decide si client na palagyan ng additional wall clad yung right side ng kitchen para maging uniform yung outcome, and also for additional protection sa wall against sa talsik ng tubig once may gagamit na ng sink. Sa part na to, we are ensuring na nakadikit ng mabuti yung stainless sheet sa wall by using rubber mallet. After that, sineting na namin yung overhead cabinet sa position na paglalagyan. We needed additional 2 workers sa paglift ng cabinet due to its weight, and also to make sure na hindi babagsak yung cabinet and walang magiging problem sa pag-install. Medyo natagalan kami sa pag-fit ng cabinet since meron 2 wire outlet and isang PVC pipe or exhaust hood na kailangan maipasok ng maayos bago namin mai-fit ng tama yung overhead cabinet sa wall na paglalagyan nito. Once na-fit na ng maayos yung overhead cabinet sa wall, we started placing expansion bolts that will permanently hold the cabinet to its position. We used a total of 8 pieces expansion bolt for this overhead cabinet. Then we started to install the doors of the overhead cabinet, and as you can see sa part ng video na to, sine-check ng worker natin yung doors kung maayos ba yung pagkaka-install by opening and closing it. Once all the doors are installed properly, the next thing we did was to install the exhaust hood right beneath the overhead cabinet. We used stainless bolts para maikabit yung exhaust hood sa overhead cabinet. After everything was installed, the next thing we did was to do retouch and cleaning works. Inumpisahan namin yung silicone works, and we put silicone sa small gaps in between the stainless to make sure na walang insects and liquid materials na makakapasok sa loob ng small gaps. Sa last part ng video, you will see our hardworking staff that make sure na matapos na maayos yung every project na meron tayo. And see you guys sa part 3 ng video for the outcome of our work.